You are quite right. It started off very well. Within the stumps, got some movement in the air. Ball came back in. You assumed right. He is slow in the air, and the ball has gone for 4 runs. So first down.
4. Or maybe the first maximum of this innings. And what a start by Pakistan. Tough first over. He's gone for 17. And that's a wonderful shot over mid-wicket all the way for 6.
Have a look at this ball. It was in the slot for Humayun. He had no problem executing it. Shot it was.
Big wicket. And the captain of Pakistan, Abdul Razak, has gone. Great catch.
It's a wonderful catch from Hassan Raza. It was a loose delivery, I would say. Razak remained unlucky on this ball. Want to stop scoring runs from these areas.
Lovely shot. Humayun, 1 bounce for 4 down the ground. Humayun goes again. He goes long and he goes all the way over that mid-wicket boundary, all the way for 6.
The 3 overs.
He takes on the bowler again. There's got to be 6 towards backward square leg. What a batting performance
So far in this over, and look at this. What a shot. Slog sweep and towards
time. They shot for leg before. He has given out. Leg before. Finger goes up.
recording, and the captain as well, trying to sweep that ball. Just came back, little bit of angle, and the umpire took no time to raise his finger. So UAE draws first.
Pulled away, short delivery, goes for 6 runs. 100 is up for Humayun Farhat. What a way to bring up 3 figures. Outstanding performance. Was absolutely unstoppable. 104 of just 30 deliveries.
This time he played it towards mid-wicket region. You have to see whether the fielder will stop it or not. Definitely he couldn't stop it, and with this he has raised his 150 runs for his team of just 53 balls. Splendid innings this is from Humayun Farhat. Very good ball, and this time it has been lofted over. We have to see whether the fielder will be able to take it, and he has grabbed it.
Just a heave towards onside, didn't quite middle it, and the fielder was waiting right at the edge of the circle. He was nice and calm, kept his eye on the ball, and no mistake in the end. A royal innings from Humayun Farhat has come to an end. Tremendous entertainment for the audience. He has to walk back.
Very well bowled. This is from Malik. This time it was off cutter, and was unable to pick it very well.
Well, it's a reduced pace. Fawad Alam picked with the result. Or lifted to the offside. Has it got the distance? Certainly he has cleared the boundary.
This time overplayed, and he has played it straight for 4 runs.
Good strike, but Fawad Alam pitched him outside the off stump, and he had the opportunity to free his arms. Full-blooded strike. He just could not clear the boundary. One bounce went over the boundary. Long off fielder. Wasn't that wide. 50 is up as well.
See the 2 umpires making their way to the center in this all-important contest. Pakistan taking on
Beaten.
10 deliveries. Babar continuing. And this time he has launched it in the air. That is a chance for the fielder, and that is a beauty. What a grab! Oh my days! That is one of the best catches of the IMC over 40s T20 World Cup so far.
Shahryar Munawwar there, taking a blinder. What a catch that was. Once again, he was trying to loft it. With the fielder there in the deep, Shahryar Munawwar kept his eyes on the ball, and what a great take in the end. Brilliant catch. Malik Qamar Abbas.
Nicely placed by Hassan Raza. He will get his first boundary. Beats short third and gully fielder on that occasion. The placement was the key on that occasion, Eamon.
टूर्नामेंट ये सब कुछ आप क्योंकि पीएसएल में आप 10 साल साथ साथ रहे तो इसको किस तरह देख रहे हैं?
देखिए जी, ये बहुत अच्छा इकदाम है। पाकिस्तान की ये टीमें जाती हैं वहाँ, तो मेरे ख्याल में इतनी उनकी आवभगत नहीं होती जितनी फवाद एजाज खान साहब और उनकी टीम ने यहाँ की है।
आलम साहब 1 मिनट आपको रुकना पड़ेगा क्योंकि एक और कामयाबी यहाँ पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम ने हासिल की। इमारात की एक और विकेट गिर गई है। जितने रन्स का प्रेशर था उसके बाद सूरत हाल इतनी आसान नहीं थी। इस बार बड़ी हिट मारने की कोशिश और लॉन्ग ऑफ पर कैच दे बैठे यूएई के बैटर। इस तरह एक और नुकसान यहाँ पे उठाना पड़ा है। जी आजम साहब,
मैं ये बता रहा था कि जैसे कल बाजी कर रहे हैं हमारे फवाद एजाज खान साहब और सरफराज साहब जो है, आमिर सरफराज साहब और आमिर अलियास भट्ट साहब, माशाल्लाह से वो लाहौर।
Struck hard down the ground for 4 by Babar. He's not given up hope.
Yes, he's looking for boundaries. That's a good sign. He missed the previous one, but on that occasion he middled that one straight down the ground. On the bounce, hit that one so straight, and long off wasn't that wide, but it was struck very firmly. Goes again towards long on. That's gonna be half a dozen. It's a big one. Well struck. The boundary followed by a 6 here, turning out to be a big over. Babar wants to hit out of the park in almost every delivery.
Good for him. He's got a positive attitude. He's not lost hope. He's going to go down fighting. And that wasn't a bad delivery, but he picked the length up very quickly. And very much a surprise to see.
Gonna be 6 again, yes, comfortably. Not as big as the previous one, but still managed to clear the boundary mid-wicket region. So Babar is into the 20s now of just 8 deliveries. Suleiman getting some dose. It's already 17 of the over.
The new bat.
Gone this time, clean him up. So Babar is disappointed this time. Wanted to heave again. Missed it altogether. Clean bowled. Down the track, wide outside the off stump. Hassan Raza hit that one for 4 runs. Picked the boundary toward extra cover. Well played. Big shot to the onside. Well struck. It's a flat 6. Quite superbly played by Tariq. Conclude the match. Oh, is he gone? Is he gone, I think? Yes, finger goes up. Well, Sarfraz survived the leg before shout, and this time he got run out in an unfortunate manner. Deflected the hand of Fawad Alam onto the stumps. He was clearly out of the crease. Sarfraz walking back now. This is how the luck fluctuates in your favor and sometimes against you in cricket. So he has to walk back. That is how he got out. Struck well by Hassan Raza. Off the hand, and he's gone.
He did not even get the chance.
Down the track he goes, picked it up from outside the off stump, and should be taken, comfortably held. He just came and went. Sanaullah.
Confidence for the next matches. Sanaullah has, and with this one ball, Pakistan has won this match against UAE by 117 runs.
Yes, massive victory, comprehensive, and it's the biggest victory margin in terms of runs at the moment. And Pakistan's powerful performance, powerful all-round performance. Abdul Razak, big smile on his face. All the boxes were ticked. Such a happy man, Hassan Raza.